Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions. You need member or admin rights so you can access dataset settings and logs. Once done, locate the workspace and the dataset, memorize the dataset name, or copy the dataset ID because you will use it in the portal and API. Now open Datasets plus Data Flows and select the dataset. Make sure to stop here only when you can see settings and manage gateway options. These are the entry points to refresh history and the API details. You can continue in two ways. The portal gives a quick view. Open dataset settings and choose Refresh History to inspect timestamps, duration, status, and error summaries. Alternatively, use the Power BI REST API Get Refresh History. This is essential for long-term audits or automated monitoring. Acquire an Azure AD token for your service principal or user, then call the endpoint with the dataset ID. Use PowerShell or Postman to parse, return JSON. This provides full run details and error messages useful for finish by exporting the refresh history JSON or CSV and automating collection. Schedule a PowerShell or Azure Logic app to pull the REST API and store results in a table for trend analysis. Once collected, you can create alerts for failures or long durations and integrate with Teams or email. If you don't see expected runs, first confirm dataset permissions and gateway status, then validate your Azure AD token. Finally, check tenant audit logs and the dataset's credential settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.